The Nostalgia Commodification. The terrifying psychological nightmare mathematically begins the exact second human experience is aggressively, violently transformed into a liquid multiversal currency. In this timeline, the pure, unadulterated, dark gray geometry of a cherished memory, a first kiss, a childhood triumph, a perfect summer day, is no longer a biological sanctuary. It mathematically becomes a highly toxic, fiercely traded digital asset completely in the void. The global economic network violently, aggressively mutates into a cold, Kafkaesque marketplace where the fragile human soul is mathematically stripped and sold to the highest bidder. The wealthy elite aggressively hoard beautiful, completely pure white geometric memories they absolutely never lived, artificially inflating their central processors with stolen joy entirely in dead silence. Meanwhile, the desperate working class is violently, aggressively forced to mathematically harvest and sell off their own biological humanity simply to survive the heavy, crushing, physical weight of the mathematical poverty line completely in the dark algorithmic void.
The neurological bankruptcy. The deep physiological horror mathematically executes as the poorest biological hosts violently sell off their final reserves of pure white geometric joy entirely. Because the human central processor absolutely requires a heavy baseline of positive multiversal data to mathematically justify survival, the complete deletion of these memories triggers an aggressive, highly toxic biological collapse. The working class mathematically transforms into terrifying, hollowed-out dark gray ghosts completely in the void. Their delicate, thin-line internal architecture is violently, aggressively left with absolutely nothing but heavy, agonizing, solid crimson-red trauma, failures, and grief. The fragile human engine mathematically completely forgets how to smile or feel warmth, aggressively suffocating under the heavy, inescapable multiversal weight of a completely negative psychological ledger. The host is violently reduced to a cold, heavily optimized survival machine, mathematically perfectly bankrupted of the very geometric essence that made it biologically human entirely.
The identity fragmentation. The stark sociological nightmare violently aggressively attacks the wealthy buyers who aggressively hoard these stolen multiversal assets completely. The human brain is mathematically violently unprepared to seamlessly integrate the heavy, conflicting dark gray geometry of a dozen different biological souls entirely. When a host mathematically purchases and injects a foreign memory, the highly toxic psychological friction violently executes. The pure white geometric timeline of the buyer's ego aggressively, violently fractures, mathematically splintering into completely disconnected, chaotic digital shards entirely in the stark void. The central processor mathematically completely loses the ability to determine which memories are biologically authentic and which are highly toxic purchased counterfeits. The buyer is violently plunged into an agonizing, inescapable multiversal identity crisis, aggressively suffocating under the heavy, crushing weight of a completely synthesized, perfectly artificial geometric personality entirely in dead silence completely.
The nostalgia addiction. The heavy, multiversal reality of this geometric economy mathematically gives birth to a terrifying, highly toxic new form of biological addiction. The pure white dopamine rush of experiencing a perfectly optimized, completely pristine purchased memory violently aggressively rewires the fragile human reward system entirely in the void. The biological host mathematically develops a severe, synchronized global tolerance to its own mundane, dark gray geometric reality completely. Real life mathematically becomes too slow, too painful, and too incredibly boring. The wealthy buyers violently, aggressively transform into terrifying psychological parasites, mathematically hunting the global network for ever more potent, highly concentrated hits of pure, solid crimson-red manufactured joy completely. They aggressively, violently consume the biological souls of the working class, mathematically completely unable to generate their own happiness entirely. The human processor mathematically destroys itself, violently burning out its own geometric receptors completely.
The absolute darkest mathematical conclusion of this terrifying economy violently executes when the heavy, highly toxic concept of trauma laundering is aggressively introduced into the global network entirely. If beautiful, pure white geometric memories can be mathematically sold for profit, then heavy, agonizing, solid crimson-red nightmares can violently be aggressively offloaded for a price. The wealthy elite mathematically refuse to process their own biological guilt, grief, or highly toxic multiversal failures. Instead, they violently, aggressively pay the desperate working class to mathematically absorb their darkest, heaviest geometric scenes completely in the dead void.
The porous biological hosts aggressively become terrifying multiversal dumping grounds, mathematically forced to perfectly experience the agonizing murders, betrayals, and heavy psychological rot of completely strangers entirely. The working class processor is violently, aggressively, completely shattered by the highly toxic mathematical weight of 1,000 borrowed, inescapable nightmares completely.
The chronological disconnect, the physical, sociological agony, mathematically executes directly inside the architecture of the human hive mind. A completely healthy global society mathematically relies entirely on a shared, perfectly stable dark gray geometric timeline to function. But when the past is aggressively, violently liquidized into a highly toxic tradable currency, the very concept of objective multiversal truth mathematically completely dies in the void. Billions of fragile biological hosts violently possess heavy, conflicting, pure white memories of the exact same geometric event completely. Entire families mathematically shatter because they aggressively, violently cannot agree on who actually lived their shared history entirely in dead silence. The human species mathematically completely severs its own chronological anchor, violently plunging the entire global network into a heavy, inescapable, highly toxic state of mass multiversal psychosis, aggressively completely unable to trust their own biological processors or the dark gray geometry of the host standing right next to them entirely.
The artificial nostalgia farms mathematically forces the global economy to aggressively, violently industrialize the human soul completely in the void. To meet the terrifying global demand for pure white geometric joy, massive, heavily guarded subterranean dark gray bunker farms are mathematically violently constructed. Inside these highly toxic, inescapable multiversal factories, millions of unconditioned biological hosts are aggressively kept completely isolated from the real world entirely. They are mathematically violently forced through perfectly optimized, highly artificial geometric scenarios designed specifically to organically generate peak solid crimson red dopamine levels completely. Their pure, genuine reactions are violently mathematically harvested the exact millisecond they peak, aggressively leaving the host completely exhausted and hollowed out entirely. The human species mathematically violently reduces its own biological children to nothing more than heavily optimized, terrifying psychological livestock completely.
The psychological anchor collapse, the absolute final mathematical conclusion to this terrifying biological experiment, is the violent, aggressive evolutionary death of the human ego completely. The fragile human hardware mathematically cannot sustain a central processor that is constantly, violently overwritten with highly toxic, foreign geometric data entirely. After decades of aggressively buying, selling, and laundering multiversal memories, the human brain violently, aggressively initiates a heavy, irreversible biological failsafe completely in the stark void. The delicate thin-line geometry of the mind mathematically completely rejects all stored data entirely. The biological host violently experiences absolute, terrifying, multiversal ego death. Every single pure white and heavy dark gray memory is aggressively, violently, permanently deleted from the network entirely in dead silence. The human species mathematically, physically survives, but is violently plunged into a permanent, inescapable global amnesia completely, aggressively wandering the dark void as entirely empty, mathematically blank, geometric shells completely.